In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find followings on Whatnot 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to whatnot.com. If you prefer using the app, the flow is very similar, but I'll illustrate it on the website. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so your account options are available. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the main feed with live and upcoming shows, plus categories and search. You don't need to adjust anything here. What we need is tucked into your account controls at the top right. Move your cursor to the top right corner and look for your profile icon. It may show your avatar or a generic user silhouette. Click that icon to open your account panel. This is the hub for your profile, settings, purchases, and your social connections on the platform. Inside your profile view, look near the top for your username. Right beside it, you'll notice a small arrow. That arrow expands more details about your profile. Click that arrow to continue. You'll land on a dedicated profile page where you'll see quick stats for followers and following. We're interested in the list of accounts you keep up with, so click on following. This takes you directly to the section that focuses on the people and shops you've chosen to follow. A pop-up will appear showing your complete following list. If your list is long, give it a moment to load. Here you can scroll through everyone you follow, along with their profile images and display names. This view is perfect for quickly jumping back to a favorite seller's page or checking in on channels you don't want to miss. If you're simply reviewing who you follow, this centralized list makes it easy to see everything at a glance. When you're done, close the pop-up by clicking the close icon or selecting anywhere outside it, and you'll return to your profile. If something looks different on your end, refresh the page and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Also, remember the distinction. Followers are people who follow you, while following is the list you just opened, the accounts you follow. For this task, always choose following. On mobile, the profile icon is often in the bottom navigation. Tap it, then open your profile details and select following. The wording may vary slightly, but the path is the same. That's all there is to it. You went to Whatnot, opened your profile from the top right, expanded your profile with the arrow, clicked following, and viewed your entire list in the pop-up.